I've come to realize over 35 years in various manufacturing leadership roles that individual performance comes down to three main components: effort, ability, and expertise. And this performance recipe, it applies to our manufacturing supervisors as well. Let's assume that our factory supervisors are applying effort and they have the ability to lead. Then we need to ask, how can we most effectively build their manufacturing leadership expertise? You see, manufacturing is all about using labor and equipment to convert raw materials into finished goods. It sounds simple enough, right? However, the labor, asset, and material costs, they're enormous, and the expectations in our factories are that high-quality products are produced safely, on time, and to our cost targets. And who is in the trenches leading this effort? It's our supervisors. Our manufacturing supervisors are in unique roles in that they're responsible for the safety of our employees, the quality of our products, and the millions of dollars in assets, labor, and material that are used in our converting processes. Most frontline leadership roles, they just don't carry this level of responsibility. And if we compare their level of responsibility to that of, say, a financial portfolio manager, someone who's responsible for millions of dollars of investment assets, we would expect that financial portfolio manager to be an expert in their field and to be very well versed in a variety of financial vehicles. So, since our supervisors, they're responsible for millions of dollars of converting costs, why wouldn't we expect them to be experts in the field of manufacturing? And because our supervisors are in unique leadership roles and they have immense responsibility, their training should be specific to manufacturing leadership. And that's what CML is all about. Concepts in Manufacturing Leadership is designed specifically for manufacturing frontline leaders. Each CML session includes leadership aspects and real-life examples that are specific to manufacturing leadership. CML is an e-learning platform too, and that of course makes it extremely flexible. Our CML courses, they work around the schedules of your supervisors, so there's no need to pull them off the factory floor for a week of training. CML is effective in that it's designed for manufacturing supervisors, it's flexible and affordable, and it's simple to incorporate in your supervisor development plans. Let's work together and make your supervisors into manufacturing experts, and you'll be rewarded with bottom line results.